Something that I really like about the programme is how incredibly open it is. As a student, you have the freedom to choose and adapt what's important for your work and when also. The crafts department is split into 3 different studios and workshops. There's the ceramic art department, the textile art department and the jewellery art department, which is where I'm studying. The programme offers itself to art practices that are investigating material and or the body. When I arrived here, my material was porcelain, which is really nice because the ceramics department's beautiful. But since studying, I've found myself working in the textile department and also in the material science department at Chalmers University.
Shading.
I think it's really important at a master's level that you're able to draw out your own framework, and you can find lots of different connections within the University of Gothenburg to help with that. When I finish studying, I'd be really happy to continue making and researching in the extending field of jewellery art. I would also really like to find different opportunities where I could teach and share knowledge.